Just didn't close my browser. So what is describe functions we learned, guys? What is describe? Describes gives us descriptive statistics. Describes gives us descriptive statistics. And let's go to the notes. I think 7:30 p.m. May I know what exactly things we covered yesterday? We started workshops and we introduced to pandas. Okay, no, we done one projects called GDP analysis. And what exactly? This is what the country GDP analysis. Country GDP analysis. So we said first concepts, attribute understanding. What is meant by attribute? What is meant by attribute? Column understanding, or we say feature understanding. Feature understanding, isn't it? Just wait. Latin column understanding and feature understanding we done. What next? Yesterday, we learned already we done how to import data set. Okay. And what are the concepts, functionality we done? Yesterday, what are the things we done? We learned how to slicing in pandas. We done this and pandas. And also we done a workshops and we understand the data using some pandas basic functionality. Basic functionality. So then we continue today. Just go here. Anything I completed, just go back to my documents. Describe. Okay. So we covered describe. What is describe? The type of statistics. How many type of stats are we saying, guys? Type of stats. Actually, it's two, but descriptive and inferential. So advanced stat, I will tell you later. Inferential stats. So descriptive statistics, it mostly works on mean, median, okay, mean, median, mode, and skewness of the graph. I mean skewness, I'll explain all those things. Variance, standard deviations, and then kurtoise. We have all those things. And what is inferential statistics? Inferential stats would gives us probability and distributions, probability, distributions, and statistical test cases like G-test, T-test, and we have all the test cases. We talk about this, right, guys? All those things. In advance, we learn like R-squared, performance measures like R-squared, adjusted R-squareds, and etc. We get this, all right? And descriptive statistics by default, descriptive stats, we get numerical data or not? We'll get info of Vamshi, Latin, info of numerical data, isn't it? So in descriptive statistics, what are the things we done? Mean, median, I think somewhere I mentions here, this is what the 2 points we get. Let's copy and I apply here and Control X, Control V. This is for, just 1 second. Let's copy and we do this. So we have count and done this. Clear up to this? This is what we covered and we wind up yesterday session. Just go here and let's complete this project. Today is day 7 and 19 days, guys. Let's go here and minimize. So online team, any issue? Which is good, Zoom or WebEx? Online team, which is good, Zoom or WebEx? Okay, very good. WebEx is good. No, Dipali, Zoom, it was good for yesterday. But when you addicted to, very good. When you addicted to WebEx, it looks nice. WebEx is more powerful than Zoom, okay? Yeah, I know because you addicted to the Zoom, so that's why. Home is always best, isn't it? So the same way. So both. Let's go here. Shall we start practical now? Let's minimize. Just try this. Just try this. let's go here. Which part we stopped? This one. So how many identifiers we created so far, guys, yesterday? DF we created, and anything else? DF we created, DF underscore, just categorical, execute, and then DF underscore num, just let in, execute. Created this three or not? Let's try this, guys, in this code. Okay, audible. Now, what I get here in this part, may I know, please? Combine the two. DF 4 slice 8, country name and birth rate. Can you type this, guys? DF 4 slice 8, DF 4 slice 8, and please combine the two, attributes. Okay. So that means I get how many records? How many records I get? 4 to 7 with only two attributes or not? Country name and birth rate of 4 to 7th rows, isn't it? You got the same informations? So the one who not completed yesterday's task, you done, buddy? Yesterday's work? Okay. All right. Online team, any issues you face? No, that's fine, right? Let's go ahead and start now. 4 slice 8. So I write in this way, other way. Can I write this way, guys? Vice versa. I mean to say, what do we say? X into Y equals to Y into X. Let's consider this is X, this is Y. Now what we do, this is Y, this is X. Are we get same records or different? Are we get same or different in this case? You got same, isn't it? Just go here and execute. We got same. Are you clear? What is we doing? Combine the two. Okay, list here. We try to data frames 4 to 8 and country name and birth rate. Can I go to the next one? Quick. Okay. Done this part? Okay. Everybody offline team, online team. Little scroll down now. df.head. First row. First row. df.head. Please use red color pen. Okay. Just let's go here. That's better, right, guys? It's visible. What about this now? Okay, this is visible. Let's do this. Okay. Now, I'll create a new variable now. df1 equal to country name and birth rate. That means df1 we created. df1 head. So df1 contains only two attributes. Am I correct? df1 contains only two attributes. Now let's say, very simple. Are you done this? Are you done this, guys? Okay. So, yeah. So the one who had issue, please leave and join again. Okay, guys? It will work. So let me know once you finish this. After that, wait, not done. Just one moment. This is very simple. The first one, df1 equals to df of, okay, let in. This part we covered. Done, guys? Okay, now little scroll down. I don't want to type df1.head2. You have only two rows. df1.columns. You have all those things or not? Yeah, so this part we have. Now, df1.columns, you have two. No. Now let's do here df2 equal to df4 to 8. That means we created df1. Listen to this. df means data frame which it contains entire rows and entire columns, correct? 195 rows and 5 columns. Now df1 is a data frame which contains 195 rows and only 2 columns. Now df2 which contains only 5 records. because df of 4 slice 8. So what I trying to, Sagar, key error? Man, every time I'm surprised why we got error. Because you not done, it seems, before. See what happened? Python is object-oriented language or not? The moment when we create these objects, what happened? Can I create multiple objects like this? df is one object I created, df1 I created, df2 created, df underscore categorical created, df underscore created, isn't it? So all those things we created or not? Team, up to this, are you done? Up to this, everybody done, guys? df1, df2. Okay. Now we'll see df dot head. This part we already know this. So now I want to combine to subset data frame. What is this called? Subset data frame. So here I want to add, I think you can do it already. Country code, birth rate, internet users, 4 slice 8. So same code I'm repeating multiple times. Am I doing? So here the same code we're repeating multiple times. So we get output 4th records to 7th records with 3 attributes, isn't it? Okay, now head C. Your manager said, I need a new column here. I need to add a new column here. Understand? I need to add the new column. And that column is multiplications of birth rate and internet users. So add a new column in the existing data frame. So how to add a new column? To add a new column, just try this now. First, the code is df into birth rate, df into internet users. Just can you try this now? And execute. I got the result. So that means in pandas, we do multiplications or not? In pandas, we do multiplications. See, numerical and numerical, df dot birth rate into df internet users. Clear, guys, up to this? Are you got this output? But now, the moment when you see df dot columns, is it added here? df dot head 1. So is it added, guys? No. What is manager said? Manager saying, can you please add a new column I want in the object? So the question is how to add a new column in the existing data frame. Understand, guys? Let's assume you have a business in 3 to 4 areas. You want to add one area more. You will add a new column or not? For that reason, just try to write this code df calc my calc. So add a column. How to add a column? So in this one, just see, I want to df is what? Data frame which contains 195 rows and 5 columns equals to df into birth rate into df dot internet users. Can you execute and check df? Do you see my calc is added now, guys? Do you see my calc is added, everybody? Online team, can you please respond? Are you working with me? Okay. And I hope most of them you know this. But now I will tell you, let me know once you completed. Yes. Okay, Shakina, good. Latin. Are you completed, everyone, up to this? That means, do you see I added my calc? Today you learn how to add a new column in the existing data set. Right, team? Yes. Done, everyone? Okay. Let me know once you covered. Let me know once you covered. I'll give a task. Can you drop the my calc? How do you drop? If I say to drop the my calc, how do you drop? Think and let me know. Remove. Can you try remove? Okay, drop. Okay, let's do this. I will explain. Please type DF. So everyone learn. So in today, what we understand, just go here and we learn how to add column in the existing data frame, and also we implement multiplications operations. We implement multiplications operations. Are you clear, guys? Now I want to, okay, Jupyter and WebEx split screen is not working. Lakshmi Giris, what is split screen? I don't understand. Where do you split screen? Okay, Lakshmi, we will talk later. So on online team, are you get any difficulties to understand and see this one? Answer me, because for me, I don't find an issue. No. Okay, so please check. Also, do you see, guys, everyone try to practice code from LeetCode. Do you see you have a LeetCode website? Okay. So LeetCode has three approach: easy, medium, hard. In this easy medium, if you go to here, we learning pandas or not, guys? Let's see all. So this is all study plan. You should do this from 12th class, from BTech and all those things. As you not done, leave it. Do you see introductions to pandas or not? Oh, just now we doing pandas, guys. After you learning pandas, start spending more times on problem solving. The student who not able to work on problem solving, you never get the job. It doesn't. So very simple. It doesn't want. If don't know data structures, leave it. No problem. No problem, guys. Understand? Very simple. In my class code, just focus on class. I will explain the Python concepts in depth, very much of in depth, and we work together for class, oops, everything, and then start working. As I'm saying, the student who not done problem solving, he never get a job, guys. So how to do that? I will tell you, no problem for that, everything. But once we complete, just 1 second, have some issue, it seems. Chart people. Okay. 1 second. Just go here. So once we covered the pandas, I will give you some task. So first you work on the task, or maybe you can, I'm not talking to everyone. The one who had workaholic means every time they spend more time on practice for their mom saying. So at least try to learn every day, at least 1 hour. Try to spend for, guys, don't talk, please. Try to spend for problem solving. Did you see this, guys? I'm speaking something, you're doing something, isn't it? So this is so spend for problem solving. I have a LeetCode problem statement and answers with. So once you problem solving, please mention your rank, whatever rank you have, or you can mention completed successfully LeetCode pandas in LeetCode series and secured. You take a image, you take a logo. What I'm mentioning this one, it's very valuable point. Understand? So you mention a logo to your resume, your weight is more, the weight of the resume is increased. Okay, let's close it. Now I want you to write another code with the same. Just 1 second. Just try this part. Okay. Are we added now? I want to delete it. How to delete? Just df.columns. I don't want to do this now. But can you check df.columns Latin? So we have my calc is added or not now? Earlier it was 5 column. Now how much column we got? we got 6 columns, guys. We got 6 columns. Okay, I just close this and df. I want to drop. Before drop, you need to remember one thing. This myCalc attribute is available in column or row. Is it a column or row, guys? Column, isn't it? It's not a row. So in pandas, whenever you work, you need to remember two concepts. Axis 1 means column. Axis 1 means column. Axis 0 means row. Axis 1 means column. Axis 0 means. Now just go to the code. So can you tell me myCalc is available in which axis? 0 or column? 0 or 1? 1. See, look at the code. df equals to df dot drop shift tab drop. Do you see axis must need to be mentioned or not? If I mention axis 0, can you get output or error, guys? Error or output? Why error? Because it is not available in row. It is available in columns. Just go here and execute. Check this. Check this here. And I'm getting, just one moment. Okay. Restart, allow. 1 second, just go here. And so name df is not defined. Wait, I have to run it again from the beginning. Just 1 second. Just 2 minutes. See, as we do a data analysis, okay, give me 2 minutes. df Latin. Just 1 second. Can you please try to access 0? Error or output, guys? Error or output you got? Error. Can you change to access 1? Can you change to access 1 now? Next line code. Do you see this, guys? df dot. This is where we stop now. And here, surprise appears to have died. It will restart automatically. Are you get the same thing? Now let me close it now. Kernel, restart and clear all output cell. Just give me some time, guys. So can you please write the code x is equals to 1 and let me know. And let me know. One second, I'll do it again. It's removed. It is removed now. So today in 1, it's happening. Very good, Devang, because 1, it is a column. That's why it happened, isn't it? myCalc is a column, guys. Just 1 second. I'm executing and I have some issue. So please do, guys. Okay. Now we try to, just give me some time. Sorry. Okay, X is 1. It is removed or not now? Check because income group now. So df. Now df dot column 3 slice 4. Do you see? df means what? Data frame dot columns 3 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 becomes 4 minus 1. That's what I got, internet users. That's what I got, internet users. Are you clear up to this? Online team, are you work with me? Just calm down. This is very interesting topic. And today we'll close this practical. And there's a lot of new concepts I'll introduce today. Just df dot shape here. We have 195 rows and 5 columns. See, df1 head. df is data frame which contains 195 rows and 5 columns. df1 dot head which contains, okay, so you can apply shape as well. df1 dot head, what happened, guys? Only 2 attribute we have or not? We created a new variable df1 dot head. Now df2 dot head, just understand this one. Up to this clear? I want to introduce a new topic now. I want to introduce a new topic. Let's follow this. df internet users. So what I get now? Only internet users informations I get or not? Can you type this? Can you type this, everybody? Okay, now df. I want to see from the data frame, I want to check from the data frame which are the country which has less than 2 internet users. You see the problem statement? The problem statement is from the data frame, we have a 195 rows, guys. We have 195 rows, 195 country internet users. Now your manager says, can you please give me the report? In the report, I want to display only the country which is less than 2 internet users. Conditional. So before, see, there's a big logic, right, guys? If I tell you in if else, it's a big logic. But let's go to the DF now. First, DF dot internet users less than 2. Just execute that. What happened? False. I mean to say, it's saying check a conditions. Does 78 is less than 2? True or false? False. You get this output now, everyone? Please let me know. What is your manager's requirement? Manager's requirement is the country which is low income. I mean to say, because definitely, guys, less than 2 has, there is, I want to show this now. Just go here, DF. I want to, are you completed this one? Are you get true or false binary informations? That means it check the records whether the 78 is less than 2, then print false. If 5 is less than 2, I mean, whatever the condition satisfy, we get the true or else false. Check DF. How do I get? Very simple. Create a variable filter. DF dot internet users is 2. Just go ahead and execute. Now you go to the filter again. Understand? Yesterday in NumPy, we talk about this? The moment when you say DF of filter, do you see these many records are comes under low income group category? Which countries comes under low income? Do you see these records? All these records are less than 2 or not? Team, are you understand? Did you get this? Please type this code. Please type this code first. First, create a filter identifier or variables. Okay, Umakant, an issue, buddy? Just 1 second. Chart. 1 moment. Okay. So are you got this output now? PQ. Okay. Yeah, unmute you, Umakant. Is there any login issue in WebEx? Unmute you. Okay, no? I just unmute you. All right. You can ping me or else I'll talk later. So guys, I do understand. Okay, Sahiti view. Just let in. So filter. So got this result? Everyone got the result or not? Offline team, how many of them done? Okay, good. Online team, everybody completed. So which one apply? We apply a filter here where that means we get to see. Now let's try this. What is the length? You can say that there are 9 countries which is internet users are less than 2. There are 9 countries where internet users are less than 2. Now let's say the manager asks you that, can you please tell me which are the country the birth rate is above 40? Understand? Can you write the code now? So the next use case is, can you tell me which are the country? Yeah. So which are the country which is the birth rate is greater than 40? Now just go ahead and try this and filter to type this filter 2 equals to df dot birth rate is greater than 40 and check this. We got false. Now I can apply df and filter 2. We pass here, and when you check, do you see this, guys? These are the countries which comes under greater than 40 birth rate ratio. So the variable filter stores the records whose value correct after the conditions exactly was just. I mean to say, see the code, very simple. What I'm trying to, DF is the data frame. Birth rate is one attribute. Now I write a operator greater than 40. It's check me the false or true. After that, I create a new identifier. I just define the same things. I pass this filter to the data frame. And how many countries, guys? Just length of filter to, no, filter 2 here. DF filter 2. Okay, do you see out of 195 countries are greater than 40? Is it? Just go here. Wait, DF of filter 2. And okay, 1 second. Let me copy and pass here. Just exit. There are 12 countries. That's right. There are. So again, the length code. There's no length code. Can you check this now? Where do we stop? Filter, you completed internet users part? Filters, are you completed? You could have been done automatically this part. Now there's a two problem statements we learn. The first one, we display the records which has less than 2 internet users. Second problem statement, from the data frame, which are the countries which follows greater than 40 percentages of birth rate. Do you see this, guys? So false, and try this now. DF of filter 2. This one. First create a filter 2. Are you done now? Now another third problem statement. The third problem statement, which are the country which has less than 2 internet users greater than 40? Can we use AND operator or not? Understand? Let's go ahead and do that. Yes, please. So, Sri Misra, are you done? Are you done this one? If you're not completed, guys, there's a two thing. Let me tell you. The learners who are able to type with me, please work along with me. Clear? Listen to me 2 times. I'll repeat. The learners who are able to type with me, please work along with me. The learners are not able to type, don't worry. Just listen the class, and after the class, please work the class notes. Any questions, I will talk to you. First work, then ask a question. Ask to the mentor. Today mentor is off because the Zoom link is not working, which is less than 2 internet users and greater than 40 birth rate. So just here, now try this code. So filter 2. Filter contains less than 2 internet users. Filter 2 contains greater than 40. I'll use AND. Do you know logical table? What is logical table? True and true. True and false. 1 and 1. 1. So here, just apply this. Still, we got not right info. I have to apply DF over here. And just, are you done filter and filter 2? Are you done, guys? Online team, filter and filter 2. Now let's apply DF. Okay, fantastic. Do you see? Out of 195 countries, there are 3 countries which is below poverty line. Which is below poverty line. Do you see that? How we find a scenario now? So we have a problem statement, how the code is helping us. Isn't it data analysis projects, guys? The projects which we're doing is a data analysis projects. We analyze the data and we speak to the client, and the client is understand, and we can make them more betterful clarifications on this. Are you done, everyone? Are you done, everyone? Online team, how many of them working with me? Experienced people, just unlearn and relearn again, as I keep says. Pretty fantastic. There's a 3 problem statements we done. Sri Misra, are you any issue? Just, I know today some of them has joined late, but might be because of WebEx issue, but yes, working with you. Very good. Write this code in this way. Do you see DF birth rate greater than 40? DF intent users. Now let's check. Still the same output or not? I mean to say one code has written by multiple way. One place we can go by different way or not. The same way. That's the way you need to choose. The way you need to choose. So this is learning stage, guys. Learning stage, mistakes has to be done. Sometimes you feel understand. Some of the cases you feel not understand. But no worry, just take some time. Things would be settled up. Okay. Just go here and try it. df dot head now. Completed this one. Very simple. This code we didn't create without identifier, isn't it? So this we had identifier and we solved it. Now df. Okay. Done. Can I move on to the next one, everybody? Can I move on to the next one? Good. Completed, guys, this one? How many of them done? Understand or doing? Okay. Now, today I introduce matplotlib. Go to df. Let's say your manager says, can you please give me only high income group people countries? I need to know only high income group countries. How do you know this? Do you see equal operator? What is operator? Which I covered or not? Which operator is this, guys? Come on, man. Assigning operator or not? What is mean assignment operator? Plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, isn't it? Double equal. So when you use relationals, so here equal, just do you see we get all high income group informations or not? 67 countries which fall under high income group. Can you please type? If I need low income, very simple, change to low income. Pretty cool. So in Excel sheets, what you do? Shift enter, you apply filter in Excel sheets. You have to check this by the time your Excel will hang, right? So just go here and try this. Up to this done, online team? Completed, guys, up to this, everyone? This one, this code, I'm sorry. DF equal to DF income group equals to low income. Please type this. Yeah. Now we try to, every organizations, we have a client call. Okay, the client call, developer you will sit, the boss will sit, the client will sit. You have to explain. If you explain very well, client will like you, he will call to your locations. That's why software employee fly to US, UK, work at client location, work at office location. There's a two type of locations. Work, your job is at office locations, your job is at work locations. I hope what I'm saying, experienced people understand. Fresher, it will take some time to understand these things. Next, go here. Done this code? Can I go to the next one? I want to introduce a unique, the next concepts, unique. Shift tab, unique functions. Let me go to my Excel sheets. In this Excel sheets, in income group, how many type I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 type or not? So what is this for? High income, low middle income, and all those things. Now let's go to my code and wait. Here, income group unique. Do you see name? Oops, DF and execute. High income, low income, upper middle income. Are you get the category or not? Unique category. You get this, guys? Assume if I give you a movie data set, if you have 10 movies, which functions you need to use? Unique functions. Which functions you need to use, guys? Unique functions. In Wipro, in Tata, In Tata cards, let's say you have like 10,000 records, but only 6 type of cards sold. Which one you need to apply? Unique. Unique gives you a unique numbers. Clear? Can you try another? N unique. This is what into be questions. What is difference between unique and n unique? So unique gives us type, but n unique gives us number. Just go here and type 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Concept clear, everyone? Concept clear? That's good. Unique. And are you type this code, guys? 2 line? Offline team completed? Everyone? Everyone done? Okay. So far, what we done? So far, we play around with pandas. We play around with pandas. We play around with pandas functions. Let's work with visualizations now. N unique gives number. That's right, Srikant. I told you, what is this line of code? What is piece of code does? Anybody? What is this piece code done? What is it? Try this. Import matplotlib as PLT. This is for visualizations, right? Today, I'll introduce Seaborn. What is Seaborn? Statistics visualizations. Today, so will you send this doc? Definitely, buddy. No worries. I will share. So yes, Venu, you can work for pandas is similar to NumPy. Will you send the doc for pandas? I will I will let me share, complete all the projects, then I will share. Okay. I'll give you some assignment as well. No problem. So here, first, what is Matplotlib? Visualizations. What is Seaborn? Advanced visualizations, means statistics visualizations. Now, what is this piece of code does? Anybody? Figure. So height of the graph is 6 and I mean width of the graph is 6 and height of the graph is 2. So by default, it start width, comma, height. 6 is width, 2 is height. Based on your system, display windows. Change the default. Very good, Alina. Now, import warnings. What exactly this piece of code does? Ignore the warnings which caused by Windows updations. Every month, Windows updated or not. So the code which is impacted, so that will, so now let's go here and execute code. Are you done, guys? This one? Let me know quick. Are you completed this part? Import matplotlib. Do not type, just use tab. So the internal functions will be pop up. So just select it and things would be done. Yes, sir, did. Very good. Now, df.head. Can you print this? None, guys. df.head. Okay, everyone. Now, let me plot what exactly output I get in this code. What happened, buddy? An issue? An issue? No. But can I get only one variable informations or not? Just go ahead to the internet users, right? How many variables we got? Only one variable info, not? First visualizations using sns.distplot df. Do you see we got the graph or not? Can you please write this? And first, wait. df. Did you import all this library? Did you import all this library? Everyone, please done. Let me know. Can you show that? Yeah, I'm showing. Code. Yeah, I'm చూపెట్టనమ్మా ఒకసారి రమణ చూడండి. Okay, check this. Matplotlib, pyplot. Okay, it's done now. It's done. Very important. I'm going to introduce now. These things you speak to the manager. The manager will speak to the client. We are doing a data analysis project. Whatever you're doing now, the same things you implement in your company. There's nothing else. Understand, guys? In organizations, you have more AC, more light. That's it. Getting my point? But the logic concept is same. I will tell you, once you learn these concepts, if I give you any Excel sheets, you will explore. You will explore. Okay, done this. Can I go to the next now? Can I go to the next now? df.head. You know this one. Internet users. Do you see internet users? Now type this code. First visualizations, I want to plot SNS. What is SNS? SNS is alias for CBORN. Every time I don't want to type SEABORN, isn't it? In memory, it takes consume more memory. Understand, guys? When you type more words in memory, it consume more data. So that's why I'll take a shortcut. You know, in school name, we have a different big names or not? But in home, your parents call us Chintu, Pintu, Rintu, Gintu, all those things. No, I'm just saying, guys, because we have many more things, guys. The same way we call as alias as SNS and PLT. So PLT for matplotlib, SNS for Seaborn. Just go down. Now type this code. How many got the graph? Let me know. Pretty amazing. This graph is called dist plot. Let me introduce first statistical graph, distributions plot. How many of them? Amazing. No, I will tell you the meaning as well. Can you please tell me? Okay, let me show you the example. Let me know once you completed. Done. Very good. Fantastic. Anyone else, guys? Done. So my question, if you see this code, we plot this graph using how many variable? One variable? Understand, team? We plot this graph using how many variable? This concept is called univariate analysis. So just little go to my notes. Plot the graph using one variable is called univariate analysis. Plot the graph using two variable, what we called bivariate analysis. Understand? Plot the graph using more than two variable is called multivariate analysis. So congrats, guys. Today onwards, I introduce statistical terms. But trust me, I'll explain so in detail. If you not understand, in the world, no faculty will teach. And no YouTubers are there, no faculty will teach. So that's why many people are learn the class. After 2 years, they come here and take my recordings. Understand what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to say, univariate. What is univariate? Plot the graph using one variable. So what is the graph? The name of the concept is dist plot. Just go to the code and try this. Are you plot guys offline team, everyone? Okay, but now along with some deprecated error. Okay, so Sri, I hope you didn't type this. Can you please type this now? But let me explain. Guys, please listen to me. Please see. So I will go to my internet users. This is my internet users or not? Let me listen to me, please. What is starting point of internet users? What is starting point? 0.9. What is ending point? 96, right? So here, just tab it. Do you see the starting point is 0.9 here? Ending point is 96. Am I correct? So this line is called distributions line. This line we called as distributions line. Understand? I want to ask a question. Could you tell me which frequency there is a highest internet users? Which frequency there is a highest internet users? Very good. 0 to 20 because the peak is very high. Do you see the insights or not? Because of the graph, you can make one statement. That's called suggestion. That's called you suggest to the client. You don't need to suggest, they can identify by see the graph. Could you tell me which frequency the internet users are less? This one, because don't say that because we don't have a data after 96. We have a data till this one. Guys, are you understand what is meaning of this code as? So if I change to PLT, we got error. What is PLT used for? Correct. 20 to 40, we have checked the graph distributions plot. Okay, Anand. So what is PLT, guys? Matplotlib. It is error or not? What is error? Module matplotlib has no attribute called distplot. That means SNS we used for advanced visualizations. SNS we use for advanced visualizations. So can we go down? Let's see. If I say bins equals to 20, so do displays means exactly. Dist means distributions. If I change T, let me copy, add here, just vis2 second visualizations, T execute. What we got, guys, now? Do you see some changes or not? So there is no distributions line. It's look like a histogram. It looks like histogram. The moment when I change T, please type this. Are you got this output? It's a univariate analysis or not? Which one? It is a univariate analysis. So as again, I'm saying, please bring your laptop and work, because when you work with me, this distributions plot, dist plot, yes, we know that's distributions plot. This plot, it's plot like histogram. I'll come back on this. Are you got this graph? Are you got this graph? Pretty amazing. Now, now experienced people open databases, pick an Excel, load the data frame, visualize it. Could you do that? Experienced people, not freshers. Just Kalyan, Latin. Now, I hope understand how this learning could help you in the organizations. I'm saying we just started. Next one. Visualizations 3. Can you type it? Bins 20. When I say bins 20, okay, DF, just try this now. What do you see? Look at this graph. We plot bins, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 20 bins. If I change to 10 bins, just go here. We got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So do you see, guys? This is the project we are building right now with combination of 4 library. Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, NumPy. How do you construct a house? You construct a house with sand, bricks, all those things or not? So the same way the project has built on 4 libraries. So if you know good communications, if you know good understanding skills, you can apply for a jobs as business analysis and data analysis, guys. Understand him? But projects I'll give you later. Next one. Can we go to visualizations 4? So again, this is univariate or bivariate? This is univariate or bivariate? Can you answer me? Online team, univariate. Why uni? Because do you know in school days, 1 uni, bi 2, tri 3, quadra 4, penta 5, hexa 6, septa 7, octa, and we have all those things. Okay. Yeah. So beans, one more. Check this beans. Okay, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear, guys? Do SNS, how many visualizations? 3. Can we go to 4 now? 2, 3, 4. Look at it. See, there's a question. The question is, how do I know these parameters? This is called parameter or not? In the function, if I pass anything we called argument or parameters. I told you on the day one. Here we have shift tab. Do you see data equals to none? It is given or not? Box plot shift tab. It is saying data equal to none. Do you have a none data or you have a data? You have a DF data is there? Data equal to DF. X-axis income group, Y-axis birth rate. I'm saying, hey Python, can you please plot me a graph? And the name of the graph is box plot. And with the relation among two attributes, income group is one attribute. Y equal to, now when you see these graphs to the client will be very happy or not, guys? Assume your dad has a business. Your dad doesn't know all those things. You're learning. Your dad spent money for you to learn. You learn and you visualize, show to your dad, Dad, this year, do you have a loss? If he said yes, son, how do you know it? So same way we do future forecast. I will tell you how to do future forecast. Just sit and work with me. Okay, guys, just what is bins? Very simple, Vinay. You not understand, buddy? Bins means, what is bins, guys? It's kind of step. It's kind of bar. You can't understand simple things, buddy. Vinay, see here. 1, 2, 3. Bins equals to 10. 10 bins. 10 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't ask what is meant by bar. You're younger, everyone. I'm not talk about that bar. I'm talk about this bar, not this one. Understand? Okay. Try this. So here, okay, box plot. Do you see this, guys? Box plot? You got this box plot. This graph has more meaningful. I cannot complete immediately. Do you see this box plot? You got this one? X-axis income group, Y-axis birth rate. I will explain tomorrow. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? I'll explain tomorrow. But today we'll complete the project. Okay, today we'll complete this project. I'll give it to you. Just 1 second. Okay, can you try this now? This code. Colorful. Are you guys different screen? Are you got different result? Why? I use box plot C. Sometimes the versions will impact graph whenever the change will be thing. I want to see. Can you go home and little search why you got? Because every time if I explain everything, then when we use, guys, would you try? But you got the graph or not? Blue color income data equals to DF box plot. So only blue color graph. Everyone blue color. That's fine. But do you see this outlier here? But you see this outlier. What is outlier? I'll explain tomorrow. Yes. So how many plot we learn? Box plot. Now this plot, this plot. Let's see. Can we plot another one? Can you try visualizations 5? 3, 4, 5. Okay. LM plot. What is LM plot? Linear model plot. Just go here and type. Check this. Do you see? Can you tell me what exactly this data point, guys? Where exactly the data points comes up? Anyone? Again, it's a bivariate or univariate? Bivariate analysis or univariate analysis? Bivariate analysis, because a developer plot the graph with two variables. X-axis internet users, Y-axis is birth rate. That's why we called as bivariate. Are you got the graph, guys? Are you got the graph? Bivariate, yes. Okay, that's good. Now, can I scroll down? What is legend functions in NumPy? Anyone? What is legend functions, guys? Legend means it gives color informations of attribute or not? Automatically plot. Similarly, just try SNS Latin. Are you guys done online team? Are you guys completed? The student who not able to do it, I will share the code after the class right away. Go home and done it. No questions. Just listen. If you not practice, work along with me. Just understand the class, make a notes, and go and do it. Unless the one who can capable of work with me. See, the moment when you capable of work with me in future GenAI classes, OpenCV, deep learning, recurrent neural network, OOPS concepts it would be easy. Try this now. Here, do you see we got a regressions line? This is regressions line. I'll explain all those things. Try fit regressions false. Just go ahead and which visualizations 5? Let's go to visualization 6. Can you try this? What you got, guys? The regression line is disappear or not? Are you check this? The regression line is disappear. The line absent. That's so there's a question I ask that how exactly the data points comes up. Let's do this. So I can say here, let's write, Control G. It's not working. So in the Excel sheets, we have 195 data points or not? In the Excel sheets, we have 195 data points. Just go internet users birth rate. So can I say this is one data point or not, guys? 78 and 10. Go to my graph. Somewhere here x-axis is 78 and y-axis 10. Look at this. These somewhere data points. 195 data points plotted. Very powerful library or not? 195 data points plotted like this. Okay. But how to understand this graph? How to understand this graph? Where common sense. Very simple. X-axis internet users. I mean to say, let's assume I want to just plot this one here. Assume, try to understand days of a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperature. Monday is 10 degree, Tuesday 20 degree, Wednesday is 30 degree. Just let's plot bivariate. This is days of the week. This is temperature. Let's plot Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now 10, 20, 30. Let's plot the data points as per this. Can I plot a linear line or not? So these data points are created by Excel. So these data points are created by Excel. Okay, I think Alina cleared here. So these things is not fit regressions. How do I know the parameters? Very simple, guys. No need to be research. You know what is research? In the world, many of the researchers are there. Out of the researchers, only few researchers will be successful. This is not the time to research. This is the time to learn, understand, apply jobs, and create a resume. Data science is only one course anyone can learn and apply jobs easily and get the jobs easily without hard code, without so much data structures knowledge, without math knowledge. You can do this, guys. So this is what is the example of multi-dimensions in this scenario. Where do you come multi-dimensions here? Multi-dimensions is comes under NumPy. Pandas, it won't comes up. Okay, Umakant. So multi-dimensions we can understand in NumPy. Right, this guys? So when you say fit regressions true, what happened? Visualization 6, then visualizations 7. Okay. So here we got this graph. The moment when you say false, the line will absent. The moment when you say true, the line will present. Done this one? Fit reg true. What is LM plot? What is LM plot? Linear model. This is linear line. Okay, same code, copy paste, just change the parameters. Just change the parameters. Can you type this code, guys? Visualization 7 and visualizations 8. And I want to plot as DF now. Try this. Data is data frame. Again, bivariate analysis. X-axis internet users, Y-axis birth rate, fit regressions false, U income group. What is income group? High income, low income, we have or not? Just go here and execute. Check this. Do you see now you got color informations? Why we apply color informations? The business understanding is more strong now. Because if I ask you questions, can you tell me which income group has highest internet users based on your graph? Can you tell me which income group has highest internet users? High income or not? Why? Because the graph plotted this way. See how to understand graph. It will come from your school learning. It will come from your colleges. It will come from little understanding. Understand, guys? So there's a no separate codes to understand the graph. So when you plot, I hope only blue color. See, that's what. The blue color has a high income or not? So where the blue color is more? So always remember the graphs can divide into 4 parts. This is higher side. This is lower side. This is again lower side. This is higher side. Are you clear? This is one concept. I'll give it to you. Alina, understand now? So the graph has divided into, here is bit exactly when it's look like legend. Legend you cannot apply because that's what. So if you see this now, income group has a high income or not? If I ask, can you tell me which income group has highest birth rate? Which income group has highest birth rate? Low income. Very simple. Low income group has highest birth rate. Do you see? If I explain, ask the insights, would you answer my insights? In this graph, you cannot explain insights to the client. Now let's try the last code. Here, if I change fitreg to true, just go here and execute. Just df. Try this. Now I hope you guys clear or not. Please done it. And today we done practical. In this practical, lot of things we learn. So I'll mention all the pointers, how to import data in Python, data frame via pandas, head, tail, info, describe, how to rename column, how to subsetting data frame, basic operations with data frame, filter data frame, seaborn introductions, displot, box plot, lm plot with fitreg, outlier, hue parameters, outlier I'll explain later, univariate, bivariate, multivariate, which is multivariate, theory we covered, practical pending. So are you guys, this is what learning of the projects. Just go here and I mention in this one. So guys, it's interesting, very interesting or not? Learn a lot of things, guys. Regressions line, I will explain. So this is just a beginning. I didn't start. We are doing data analysis projects, then business, then I'll start machine learning. You will be king in machine learning, guys, if you work, because I'll explain math, everything's every concepts in depth I'll explain. So guys, can I share this notebook? I think I already shared yesterday. No? Okay. One moment, file. No, just file and download. Just minimize all.